What student loan myths cost borrowers money? When it comes to student loans, many myths can lead to costly mistakes. This is especially true for Asian American students who face unique financial challenges in higher education. Let's break down some of these myths and the realities behind them. First, many believe that student loans should be avoided entirely. While it is wise to minimize debt, completely avoiding loans can limit access to higher education. For many Asian American students, responsible federal student loans can be a smart investment. Graduates often earn higher salaries that help them repay loans faster. Another common myth is that you should only borrow what you need for tuition. However, student loans can also cover essential costs like housing, books, and transportation. If students underestimate their total expenses, they may end up needing high-interest private loans later, which can be more expensive. Some borrowers think private student loans are just like federal loans. This is not true. Private loans usually have higher interest rates and fewer protections, such as income-driven repayment plans or forgiveness options. It is best for Asian American borrowers to prioritize federal loans to take advantage of these benefits. There is also a belief that you do not have to start repaying loans until after graduation. While repayment typically begins after leaving school, interest on unsubsidized loans accrues during school. If this interest is unpaid, it adds to the principal amount owed. Paying interest while in school can help reduce long-term costs. Many people think student loan debt does not significantly impact credit or financial health. In reality, student loans affect credit scores and debt-to-income ratios. High balances can limit borrowing capacity for future needs, such as buying a home. Asian American borrowers should manage their loans carefully to maintain financial flexibility. Some borrowers assume that loan forgiveness programs are guaranteed and easy to obtain. In fact, these programs have strict eligibility requirements and application processes. Relying on forgiveness without understanding the rules can lead to unexpected debt. It is crucial to research and plan realistically. Another myth is that consolidating or refinancing always saves money. While refinancing can lower interest rates, it may also eliminate federal loan benefits like income-driven repayment and forgiveness eligibility. Asian American borrowers should weigh the pros and cons before deciding to refinance. Lastly, many believe they must use all their loan eligibility. This is not necessary if other funding sources are available. Overborrowing can increase debt burdens unnecessarily. For Asian American students, practical steps include estimating total education costs beyond tuition, prioritizing federal loans for their protections, and seeking financial literacy resources that cater to their cultural contexts. Planning repayment strategies early, considering expected income growth, and consulting financial aid advisors can also help avoid costly misconceptions. By understanding these myths, Asian American students can make informed borrowing decisions that support their academic and financial success without incurring avoidable costs.